Hello. This is lesson 90, 90, 90, 90. This looks like a very full lesson. Both on the left and the right, you can see a lot of code here. Not a lot to do, but for it's not been this way. Okay, so the title of this lesson is using objects for lookups. Okay, objects can be thought of as a key value storage, like a dictionary. If you have a tabular data, you could use an object to look up values rather than a switch statement or an if else chain, right? So instead of having switch case values, you could use an object. It's very easy, This is why I love objects. This is most useful when you know that your input data is limited to a certain range. Okay, here's an example of a simple reverse alphabet lookup. Okay, so we have something like 1z, 2y, 3. So it's kind of reversed. So alpha 2 will give us y, alpha 24 should give us c. So here we have a constant with the value of 2. Alpha value should give us, yeah, y. So alpha 2 is a string. Yeah, alpha 2 is the string y, okay. Alpha 24 is the string c, and alpha value is the string y, right? So because this value here is y, is 2, so and 2 has a value of y in our alpha objects. Oh, okay. Convert the switch statement into an object called lookup. Okay. So we're converting all of these into a single object. We use it to look up val and assign the associated string to the result variable. So we're having more challenging challenges. I hope you are getting excited already. Okay, convert the switch statement into an object, right? Called lookup. Then use it to look up val and assign the associated string to the result variable. Okay, this is our result variable here. Okay. So I won't delete this yet because I'll be using it to create my object. So we have our switch here. Once I'm done creating the object, I'll just go ahead and delete it. So the name of our object should be lookup. And remember our open or curly braces, open and close. We have one, two, three, four different cases here, or five. So we should have five what now? Five properties. And I prefer not to use double quote because there are no spaces here and I don't want to stress myself. No, it's usually better to do things the easier way, okay? It's not about stressing myself. There's no point in putting those double quotes because we don't need them. We literally don't need them. Okay, not equal, so we're supposed to have colon, right? It seems that I don't know. Okay, colon, and then we have Adams, and then we have a comma to separate each property. No, bravo. Um, Notice that my values are in double quotes also, so it's different here because this is a string. And this is like the key, all right? So we're using the key to access the string, so we need to put the value, or by using the key to access the value, so the value ought to be in the right type. If it's a string, it should be in between quotes. If it's a number, it should just be the way it is. If it's a boolean, it's just like a variable now, all right? So we could have a variable name here. I think there's a variable name here. A variable name, okay, a constant name called value, and we don't have it in double quotes, all right? So there is no need for, or the only that this is slightly different, all right, but it's similar in a way. I don't have to I don't have to put this in double quotes, but if I want to store a string inside of it, I have to put that string in double quotes. I hope that makes sense. Okay, we have Boston. 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 right? And Charlie. Is it okay? Right, Charlie and Chicago. Um, Echo and what easy, right? Easy and last but not least, Foxtrot. These real names, Foxtrot, and I saw Frank, right? So Frank. So we've created our object. See how simple this looks compared to this. Yeah, but these have they both have their uses, and there is none that is useless. Okay, except but you just have to know the right place to use the right method, right? Or whatever. The right method. Okay, no, I shouldn't have this here. Yeah, so this is our object. I could have that here. It's a semicolon. It's used to terminate a statement or indicate the end of a statement. But in JavaScript, it's not necessary. But there are some code bases which you might work on that will need you to, or that will force you to put this. But in JavaScript, you could choose to or not to. But there are languages, although that this is really important. Something like Java, yeah, Java has a lot of it's strongly typed, alright. So let's not get into that. Okay, so we are asked to look for the value of okay, look up val and then assign it to results. The result should be lookup val, right? So let's go ahead and console the log. Okay, before I console the log this, what do you think this what kind of result do you think is going to be what should be the result, all right? Like this phonetic lookup Charlie, what are you expecting it to give us? I'm waiting for you. You could type your answer in the comment section. There is one there. Okay, so Charlie should give us Chicago. All right. I hope this makes sense. We are using the val, which is like the parameter here, so that it's more dynamic this way. Whatever this function is called with, is to go ahead and look for the particular value in our object and then return its corresponding value. Okay, so let's console the log this. We're expecting to see Chicago console dot log. And here we are, Chicago. So let's have echo. Easy. Foxtrot. Okay, there's nothing like that. So it's gonna give us undefined. Yeah, Foxtrot should be frank. So I believe we are right on track. Let's go ahead and run our test. And okay, I changed in the input, so yeah, I should leave it as I left it. I think it was Charlie that was here. Okay, wow, there's something wrong. There is something wrong. Okay, I missed out something. Oh my goodness, and I have deleted our switch statement. How did I not see that? So I think they said that delta should equal. Oh, I missed it though. Let me take away this. Okay, let me run the test again so that they can show me the error. The delta should equal the string Denver. So let's just add delta. That's interesting. Okay, so Yeah, that's the way it's done. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like. It's gonna really encourage me. Yes. Yeah, and subscribe. Tell your friends about this. Take care and bye bye.